Hi, in this video we are going to go over the EPSMomentum.com navigation. How to navigate this platform. It's very simple. You have a series of dashboard and you can switch from one page to the next right there on the top. You also have a drop-down menu with all the functionality that you can launch, and then you also have widget system, so you can grab a widget and then move it to another place. So very quickly, you'll start with the markets page that has summary, benchmark, news, sector rotation, stock scanners. Any ticker you would click on would refresh on the other widget. The widgets are linked by that link here. If you click on settings, link, and then link black, red, yellow, green, and you have it here, black, red, yellow, green, and so on. And then additional items, earning news, earning calendar, and transcript. So that's for the markets page. You can switch to the monitor page. In this case, you have a list monitor or your watch list. You can add a ticker very easily. So if I want to add Microsoft, for example, it'll just add Microsoft to the list. And if I want to add Target, just add Target, just click Target, and then Target shows in the list. I can also click on any of those tickers, let's say NVIDIA, and then get a refresh here on the chart and on the quote. There are sometimes the ability to add additional options to every single of the widgets. You'll find them here. Technical studies, it's one thing. Additional data set, signals that you want to add, or just switching from basic to advanced quote. You'll see always on the top. Most of those widgets are fully flexible, so you can reorganize them, flip them on one side or the other, or even add additional widgets. So if I want to click and add news, for example, I'm calling a news panel here, and I can resize it the way I want. If I want to have an earnings analysis view, I can put it at the bottom here. And here I have earning analysis, and I can see the last 12 quarters of earnings, and I can compare it and see the progression. And that's it. So it's really very flexible there, giving you a full ability to get all the data you need. Now, I want to spend some time on the focus button. So there's the double arrow here. If you want to focus on the chart, you click and you have a bigger size view of that specific widget. Or say you want to go on the advanced view and then you want to see the advanced quote, you can remove the focus. Or if you want to focus on news, you click on news, and then you can click on any news item and then close it down and close the focus. Going into the screener, it's very easy. You have the ability to set your filters for the screener. It is all safe here, screener 1, 2, 3. And you can add in, you can save a screener, you can add a new screener. You also have the ability to run the presets. So the presets are the scanners that you see at the beginning. So if I want to see the value plays, or I want to see, I don't know, the earning momentum scan, I can see it here, and I can start from there. So to start, I just click on asset turnover, for example, and then I have the ability to insert a filter, either type the value or use the sliding bar here, and then add a filter here. I can see 127 stocks, and I can go from there. I can also use the scorer, which gives you the ability to score. Here you have 3 different metrics. You weight them, higher being the best or lower is the best, up to you, and then it will score the entire database and give you the best stocks based on earning momentum, P ratio, or ROE. So if you want the P ratio to be the lowest, lower is better, then you click on add, and then it will change the ranking obviously and pick the stock. So you'll see all the scores here and then summed up here. You can save that and use it obviously in a nice way. Again, I can create a dashboard, a third and a fourth and a fifth. If you have a gold subscription, you can create as many dashboards as you want, switching from one view to the next. So it's very flexible. Finally, you have the chat. So if you click here, you have the ability to chat with other people. There are different channels, so silver, bronze, gold, and then you have the support chat. So you can use it and talk to other clients there. So it's really useful, and our clients love it. So that's it, really. Very short video on navigation. I hope you found it useful.